Hi, my name is Nilesh. In this tutorial, we'll be learning the use of transpose function in Excel. Now, the transpose function is used to change the order of the data from rows to columns or columns to rows. So let's start. In this example, the data consists of company name in column and months in rows. We'll change the order of the data with the help of transpose function. First we need to select the area or table which we need to transpose. So here we will be selecting the area from A to E. Once the area is selected, then we need to copy it. We can copy it by the shortcut command Ctrl C, or we can use the home tab. That in home tab there is this copy command. So we will press this copy command and the area is copied. Once we copied this area, we need to choose a new location where we want to transpose this table. So here we will be selecting cell number A10 for us to transpose the data. The transpose operation is a part of paste special. So select paste special, we can right click the mouse and over here the command is there paste special, or there is other way. We can go into home tab and in paste there is this paste special command. So we'll select this paste special command and a paste special window will open. When the paste special window opens, in that you will see the transpose command over here. So we'll select the transpose command. Once we select transpose command, then we'll press OK. So let's press OK. Once you press OK, you will see the table has changed the order. When the data is transposed, Excel automatically updates the formulas from the original table to the transpose table. So if you check over here, this formula which is there, now all these formulas being transposed in this new table.